Welcome back to the Premiere Pro Beginner's Guide. If you've been following this series from the very first lesson, you've already learned the foundations of video editing. The series itself is now complete, but I wanted to add a few short bonus videos to expand on some tools and techniques that can be especially useful when you're starting your editing journey. Hi, I'm Marco Maldera. I'm a director, video editor, VFX artist, designer, and AI creative. You might also notice that I recently updated the name of the channel to Maldera Studio. I decided to expand it because I want this space to reflect more of the different aspects of my work, not just tutorials, but also film projects, commercial work, social media production, creative direction, and experiments with new technologies like AI. The idea is to start presenting this space more as a studio environment, where I share both the creative work itself and the tools and workflows behind it. I also recently updated my website. There is now a section where you can explore my portfolio across different areas. I added a dedicated AI production section where I share projects and experiments related to AI-driven creative production. And there is now also a services section where you can find more information about the work I offer, along with details on how to contact me if you're interested in collaborating or working together. But for now, let's get back to Premiere Pro. When you're editing a video, one of the most common things you'll do is add background music. Music helps establish the tone, support the pacing of your edit, and connect different moments in the story. But there's a common problem that almost every beginner runs into. The length of the music track rarely matches the length of the video. Your video might be around 30 seconds long, but the music track could be 1 minute or even longer. So what do most beginners do? They cut the music somewhere in the middle. Sometimes that works, but very often the result sounds unnatural. You might hear a sudden jump in the rhythm or a noticeable break in the soundtrack. Instead of feeling smooth, the music suddenly feels interrupted. And this is exactly where one of Premiere Pro's AI-powered tools can help. Premiere Pro includes a feature called the Remix tool. This tool uses AI to automatically adjust the length of a music track so that it fits your video. Instead of manually cutting the audio and trying to hide the edit, Premiere analyzes the structure of the music and rearranges sections of the track so that the final result matches the duration you need. In other words, it intelligently remixes the music for your edit. Let's say you have a video clip that is about 30 seconds long and you want to use a music track that is longer than your edit. Normally, you would try to trim the audio manually, searching for a place where the cut is less noticeable. Let's try to find a point where we can cut and reconnect the track. Maybe somewhere around here, the beats look like they could match. Okay, let's listen. You can hear that there is still a jump in the music. Even if the cut looks correct visually, the rhythm of the track gets interrupted and the transition becomes noticeable. But with the Remix tool, you can simply select the music track and adjust its duration directly in the timeline. Premiere analyzes the audio and automatically creates edits that follow the natural rhythm and structure of the music. Once the analysis is complete, you'll notice something interesting in the audio track. The track will contain small segments connected by subtle markers. These indicate that Premiere has remixed the audio, rearranging sections of the music so that the track fits your timeline while maintaining a natural musical flow. And in most cases, the result sounds far smoother than manually cutting the music yourself. Let's listen to the result. You can hear that the transition is much smoother and the music flows naturally without that abrupt jump. For beginners, this tool solves one of the most frustrating challenges when working with music. You don't need to find the perfect cut point. You don't need advanced audio editing techniques, and you don't risk breaking the rhythm of the soundtrack. Instead, Premiere adapts the track so that matches the duration of your video while keeping the music sounding natural. This is especially useful when editing short videos, social media content, YouTube videos, or montage sequences. Even though the AI does most of the work, it's still a good idea to listen carefully after the remix is created. Sometimes you might want to slightly adjust the duration or refine the ending so it better matches the emotional timing of your scene. Think of the AI as a tool that assists your workflow. You are still the one shaping the rhythm and storytelling of the edit. Tools like this show how video editing is evolving. AI is not replacing editors. Instead, it removes repetitive technical steps so you can spend more time focusing on storytelling, pacing, and creative decisions. And as you continue developing your editing skills, you'll discover more tools like this that can significantly improve your workflow. If this series helped you understand the foundations of video editing, I'd genuinely love to hear what you plan to create next. Let me know in the comments what your first editing project will be. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming tutorials, workflows, and creative techniques. You can also follow me on social media. And if you're interested in working together or collaborating on a project, you can visit my website where you'll find more information about my work and the services I offer. This playlist gives you everything you need to start your journey as a video editor. And as I mentioned earlier, I'll continue adding a few short bonus lessons to expand on useful tools and workflows. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.